As a short heads up, I'm currently upgrading the testing Spring Boot applications Masterclass to a new 3.0 version. It's been almost 3 years since I've recorded and launched the first videos of this comprehensive and hands-on online course about building better Spring Boot applications by mastering automated unit integration and end-to-end testing of Spring Boot applications. As of now, the Masterclass has more than 130 hands-on lessons that go into great detail on how to write automated tests for modern real-world Spring Boot microservices. With this revamp effort, I also want to migrate to Spring Boot 3.0, Java 17 for sure, to keep it up to date, and furthermore also include all the new testing strategies and recipes that I've learned throughout the last 3 years. To celebrate this effort and also to keep me a bit from procrastinating on this revamp, you can currently enroll for 30% off. As soon as I finish the revamp, this discount code expires. So take this opportunity now to improve your Spring Boot testing skills, to become more confident and productive when working with Spring Boot. So, see you in the course.